Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to activate your family mobile account. Whether you're a new customer or transferring your number, this easy-to-follow video will help you get started in no time. Let's get you connected. Step 1. Get your family mobile SIM card. Before you start, ensure you have your family mobile SIM card. You can either get it in-store or have it delivered to your home when you order online. Step 2. Insert the SIM card into your phone. Power off your phone. Locate your phone's SIM card slot, usually on the side or under the back cover. Insert your family mobile SIM card properly into the slot and close the cover. Power your phone back on. Step 3. Visit the Family Mobile Activation website. Open a browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official Family Mobile Activation page. www.myfamilymobile.com. Activate. You'll be prompted to enter your activation information. Step 4. Enter your account information. For new customers, select Activate New Service and enter the required information, such as your name, address, email, and date of birth. For existing customers, if you are transferring your existing number, choose the Activate with Number Transfer option and enter your account details from your previous carrier. Follow the prompts to confirm the details and continue. Step 5. Choose your plan. Browse through the available family mobile plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Choose your plan, enter payment information, and complete the transaction. Step 6. Complete the activation process. After confirming your plan and payment details, your account will be activated. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen and via email with your account information. Your phone may restart during this process, and you should soon be able to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data. Step 7. Test your service. Once the activation is complete, try calling a number or sending a text to make sure everything is working. If you face any issues, restart your phone again or check the troubleshooting steps on the Family Mobile support page. And that's it. Your Family Mobile account is now active, and you're ready to start using your service. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact Family Mobile customer support or visit their help center online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.